Another Epic Flows production.
Yeah, but you can't know easy, that's that. Give me a phone or ring, you know. Give me your phone or ring. Give you can't make sure Mr. Call you, you know. Hello?
Give me no say me get fired today though.
Backside dog. How you make that happen?
How this?
I decide man this. But you look like me I gonna be the main man from now on.
What him there?
Calm yourself man. And me and the man who have to go help out with the bills them from now on.
We say how this?
Shut up man, just shut up. Go easy. I go that same attitude that make them fire you. You're lucky if Kimal still want you back after you tell her this and news ya.
Shit. So how long you sleep with my girl?
Alright. You remember when she don't want to go a dream weekend and you never go with her?
Yeah.
And me bring her. You remember in Hurricane Matthew when she dey stuck at work?
Yeah.
And me she dey stuck at work pan. Yo brother, go easy still, Kim still in her bathroom. Remember say you no broke your bad news yet. So just forward home and make we talk to Zane. You better you broke them type of news in person.
It's epic out here.
Epic Flow production.
Radical epic.